Good morning. So today we are going for Death Valley, but before we go, first thing first, let's have breakfast. Hello guys, we just reached the first stop, which is Badwater Basin, and it took almost 3 hours from the Las Vegas trip. So we'll explore around 15-20 minutes here before we go to the second stop. So guys, we have covered 2 spots till now, Badwater Basin as well as Devil's Course, and this is the third stop, is a stop for quick photos, known as Golden Canyon. So let's see how it is. Hello guys, welcome to Zabriskie Point. This is the 4th stop on the way back to home. I'm in Las Vegas. So let's see how it is. You can see you have to walk, maybe around 10 minutes walk, and there's a few parking over there. So let's see how it is. Hey, we made it to the top of Zabriskie Point.